Have you ever been in a meeting saying something important, but it feels like no one is actually listening? Someone's checking their phone, someone interrupts, someone changes the topic completely, and suddenly you think, is it me? Am I doing something wrong? It's not you. But there is a communication gap. And today, I want to show you how to close it. Hi, I'm Karin. I'm a communication strategist from Sweden, and I help non-native English speakers communicate clearly, calmly, and confidently without needing perfect English or a loud voice. And today, I'll show you 3 practical tools that help people actually listen to what you say, not just hear the sound of your voice. Let's get into it. Number 1, start with a hook, not an apology. People don't listen just because you're talking. They listen because something sparks curiosity. But many of us begin with phrases that shut attention down. Maybe this is a stupid question, but I'm not sure this is relevant, but these phrases feel polite, but they make your message smaller. Instead, start with a hook. Something that wakes up the room. Try. This is something I think many of you will recognize. I have an idea that might unlock this. What happened in our last meeting actually matters for this discussion. Hooks pull people in. Apologies make them drift. Number 2, take back the room with a gentle firmness. When someone interrupts you or takes over the conversation, you don't need to fight for space. You just need to claim it clearly. This is gentle firmness. You're respectful, but you don't disappear. Try this. I'm heading somewhere. Let me finish this thought. We'll get to that. Just let me wrap this up first. Great point. I'll connect to it in a moment. You're calm, you're clear, you're in control. Confidence isn't volume, it's clarity. Number 3, speak so it feels, not just so it's heard. People forget your exact words, but they remember the feeling your words created. That's why abstract messages don't stick, but images do. Instead of, we need to improve communication in the team. Say, right now our communication is like sending notes against the wind. We don't know who receives what. Images do the heavy lifting. They make your messages memorable long after the meetings end. So if you want people to listen, not just hear you, start with curiosity, not apology. Use gentle firmness to protect your message and speak in images that people can feel. You don't need to sound perfect. You don't need to shout. You just need calm, clear structure and intention. Tell me in the comments, what communication challenge should I cover next? I read every message, and this channel grows together with you.